Hello. I know all of you are busy preparing for your IELTS examinations, and so I'll be quick. The writing task in this particular video is taken from book number 6. And although this book was published way back in 2007, the format of this writing task is still valid up till this date. So do subscribe to my channel to receive all of the other writing tasks in this book series number 6. And best of luck for your exams. Today we are going to be discussing the IELTS Book 6 Test A Writing Task 1. How to write a semi-formal letter. You and your family are living in a rented accommodation in an English-speaking country. You are not satisfied with the conditions of some of the furniture. Write a letter to the landlord. In your letter, introduce yourself, explain what is wrong with the furniture, and say what action you would like the landlord to take. Begin your letter with as follows. Dear Dash. A semi-formal letter is an official letter written to someone you already know. And because you are writing an official letter to this person, you have to maintain formality. So use formal and respectful language and avoid casual terms and phrases. In this task, you have to write about 150 words in 20 minutes. The opening and closing salutations are not included in the word count. Do not write an address, date, subject line, or a signature. And lastly, leave a line after each paragraph as shown in the example at the end of this video. This letter can be written as follows. Dear Mr. Wallace, now this is the opening salutation where you will write the last name only and you can include a title like Mr. or Mrs. You can leave a line, and in para 1 is where I mention who I am and the purpose of writing this letter. Para 2 is where I introduce myself. Para 3 is where I explain what is wrong with the furniture. Para 4 where I say what action I would like the landlord to take. And 5 where I summarize the main points of the letter. And then I end with writing yours sincerely, Vetesh Iyer. Now this is the closing salutation, so I should write the full name and I should not use a title for myself. Now in the following slide, I will read out the 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Mr. Wallace, I am a tenant of your apartment in South London and I am writing this letter to inform you about some issues that my family and I are facing with the furniture in the apartment. As you are aware, the documentation and the handing over of the apartment were handled by your attorney and you were not present to do it yourself owing to your poor health. As agreed upon, the furniture that was present in the apartment was to be repaired and cleaned before we moved in. The repairing and cleaning work was unfortunately not done and we had to take possession of the apartment on the agreed date with the furniture in its initial condition. It has been about 3 weeks that we have moved into the apartment and we have been facing issues with the broken and dirty furniture ever since. I thus request you to remind your attorney to begin the repairing and cleaning of the furniture as we are being inconvenienced. Although I am aware that you are still recovering from your health issues, I request you to look into the matter as soon as you are able to. Yours sincerely, Vetesh Kumar Iyer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel to receive regular updates on IELTS and other related topics. You can do so by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon at the bottom right of this video. If you are interested in joining me for a one-on-one online session, then you can contact me by email or WhatsApp. My contact information can be found below this video in the description. Thank you for watching.